After you log into your account, you will see the BxGenomics system homepage. The system supports the human, mouse, and rat species. When you have a project for different species, you can switch here. The upper part of the homepage is a table listing your private projects. You can access the specific project by clicking on the project name. The system is set to share the projects within the group. If a group has multiple accounts, then the projects will be displayed here for all the accounts in the group. The middle part of the homepage is the comparison dashboard. The dashboard summarizes all the comparisons in the system that can be seen in your account. We provide statistics for the 5 major comparison attributes, including comparison category, cell tissue, disease state, treatment, and platform name. The dashboard is interactive. You can filter the dashboard for any combinations of the comparison attributes, according to your interest. For example, if you are interested in treatment versus control in comparison categories, skin and lung in cell tissue, psoriasis in disease state, and agonist in the treatment, it will only show you your selected attributes. These 2 comparisons are shown in a table at the bottom of the page. You can select the comparisons and use our visualization tools we provide in the table header to explore the data. This way, you can analyze related comparisons across projects together to find more detailed information buried in the comparison conditions you are interested in. Please see our videos on comparison visualization to learn more. Above the dashboard is the control panel, where you can change the comparison dashboard appearance. You can choose to show your own private data, public-only data, or both. In the display options, you can customize the categories you want to show in the dashboard by hiding unwanted categories or listing top-ranked categories. Save the settings, and you will see that your dashboard has changed accordingly to your settings. This is how to use the comparison dashboard in the system homepage. Thank you for watching.